Image quality in CD-SEM metrology, Part 7. Let's come back to our experiment. Measurement for CD, image quality, and SNR for high LER lines with different out-of-focus conditions. We're not measuring whole image at this case, just individual lines, so information could be a little quantized. Not all frequencies are present. We created two major sets, each one with different CD value. We are simulating mild out-of-focus condition gradually for each set and comparing calculated CD, prefix S for data pointed on lines with smaller CD, E, extended CD, and suffixes, amount of pixel blur added through convolution to simulate out-of-focus conditions, 3, 5, and 7. Here we could observe change of CD value as a result of our experiment. From the left, 4 small lines with different out-of-focus condition. From the right, 4 extended lines with different out-of-focus condition. Let's observe image quality change. It's quite clear that we have no dependency on CD value, mainly on amount of out-of-focus condition we applied. Still, S and E lines for same out-of-focus conditions are not creating exactly the same signature. Let's observe SNR change. It's quite clear that we have no dependency on CD value, mainly on amount of out-of-focus condition we applied. Still, S and E lines for same out-of-focus conditions are not creating exactly the same signature. It is obvious that image quality and SNR has different sensitivity for out-of-focus condition. So our proposition for image validity measurement should be studied and evaluated further to develop best BKM for any particular case. Thank you for attention.